In the world of automotive history, few relics capture the imagination quite like the 1926 Moon Truck, a testament to an era of bold engineering and ambitious dreams. For decades, this mechanical marvel sat silent, a ghost of the past slowly succumbing to the ravages of time. But now, a groundbreaking project is breathing new life into this automotive legend, not just with wrenches and grease, but with the power of artificial intelligence. We invite you to witness a restoration unlike any other, where the spirit of the 1920s meets the technology of the 21st century to resurrect an icon. This is the story of how we're giving the 1926 Moon Truck a second chance at glory. Our journey began in a dusty, forgotten barn, where the Moon Truck had rested for nearly 70 years. Covered in layers of rust and decay, its original grandeur was barely visible. The wooden spokes of its wheels were frail, the engine was seized, and the once gleaming body panels were warped and weathered. Yet, beneath the deterioration, the soul of the machine was intact. We saw not a wreck, but a time capsule. Each patch of corrosion and every faded emblem telling a story of American industrial heritage. Documenting its condition was the first critical step, preserving the memory of its long slumber before the monumental task of its rebirth could commence. The first phase of the revival was purely digital. We employed advanced 3D laser scanners to meticulously map every inch of the truck, from the largest chassis beam to the smallest bolt. This created an incredibly detailed digital twin of the vehicle in its current state. Our AI system then took over, analyzing this massive data set with unparalleled precision. It cross-referenced the scans with original 1926 blueprints, historical photographs, and engineering documents. The AI identified missing components, calculated the exact original dimensions of warped parts, and generated a complete 3D model of the Moon Truck as it would have looked rolling off the assembly line, providing our team with a perfect, interactive blueprint for the restoration. With the AI's digital guide in hand, the physical work began. This was not a typical restoration. It was a symphony of human craftsmanship and machine intelligence. For parts that were too damaged to repair, the AI generated precise schematics for our fabricators to create exact replicas. For intricate components like the carburetor and magneto, the AI simulated their mechanical functions, highlighting hidden internal wear and guiding our technicians through complex disassembly and repair sequences. It was a partnership where the AI provided the roadmap, and our artisans provided the skilled hands to navigate the path, ensuring every piece was restored with historical accuracy and structural integrity. Today, the 1926 Moon Truck stands completely transformed. Its deep blue paint gleams under the lights. The polished brass of its radiator cap shines brightly, and the purr of its resurrected engine is a sound that hasn't been heard in generations. The final reveal is more than just the presentation of a restored vehicle. It's a celebration of heritage preserved through innovation. The truck is no longer a forgotten relic, but a vibrant, moving piece of history, ready to tell its story to a new audience. It is a powerful symbol of what can be achieved when we honor the past while embracing the future. We believe this project has not only saved a priceless artifact, but has also set a new standard for the art of restoration.